So my theory on chainsaws is that everybody needs at least 2, but 3 or more is better. Unless you live in an apartment, then you can maybe get by with 1. Hey everyone, I'm Martin.
And I'm Shelley.
And we are doing not the biggest job that we've ever done down here, but we're going to do the one that has the most probability for disaster. And I'm serious, it's not just funny. I'm going to turn you around and show you what we're getting ready to do. This big tree here has got to come down, and by itself that wouldn't be such a big deal. But to do that, we've got to avoid it hitting the cabin or the deck. We have to avoid it hitting the septic tanks, which is just right down there. And we have to avoid hitting these things, which I'm not sure how we're going to do all of that. Well, I think I have an idea. There's one there, and then there's another one over here. These pipes.
I want to explain to you that we did not give this a second thought. What happened is while we were digging, the root system underneath that, because it was so close to where we were digging, that tree died. So it's got to come down.
Yeah, we think what it was that we got into the roots. It was going to be, this area here was going to be where the septic tanks were going to go. We got down in about 3 feet and we hit solid rock. So we had to move the septic tanks down the hill just a little ways. But we think that we probably damaged that tree enough to where it's got to come down. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take this big log here and cut it up into some lengths and set on either side of these pipes to kind of protect them when the tree comes down. And the trouble is that it branches out so big up there at the top that it's going to be all over the place down here, and we're going to try to avoid getting into the deck here, but we're going to do our best. So far, so good. We've got all of the trees down except for the last one, which is the one that's the nerve-wracking one. And we're going to take it next. She had to run for her life on the last one.
That was close.
It wasn't that close.
I have video. You're going to have to watch it on my video.
Okay, she's going to upload that on her channel, okay?
Oh, he doesn't want to see.
Yep. All right, so here we go. We're going to get started on this one next. That was perfect. It went exactly where it needed to go. To miss everything, except for the very top of that tree. Okay, so we put these two chunks of log on either side of this pipe to keep it from getting hit, and both of them, the one from the left and the one from the right, both of them tried to land right directly on that pipe. And these logs saved it.
And the other thing he saved was my dogwood.
The dogwood tree survived.
Yep.
There we go.
Yeah.
And we didn't smash the cabin or the deck.
Or the deck.
So that's in good shape. We'll have to call this one a win. We may have to go to the filling station.
Yeah.
You're sniffing the wood. Take a bite. What does it taste like?
It tastes like wood, oak, but I love the smell.
Yeah, this is actually going to make us almost 1 year's worth of firewood.
Yeah.
If you've enjoyed this video, give it a like and a share, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the notification bell. See you next time.